You too can make a gear truck. It's very simple. First, the take the coconut bottle. How many bottles of coconut oil does it cost? Cut the coconut bottle. Is very simple and carefully. Cut the coconut oil bottle and very simple. Make a table fan and coconut bottle cutting is very simple. You too can make a fan from another coconut bottle. Please channel my subscribe and like. Connect the two wire and put them inside and connect the two wire negative and positive. Very simple. Glue the battery on it with a hot glue gun and very simple and carefully. And coconut oil bottle, connect the motor. Look, your guard bag has become a growing truck. You can also do it when waste car driver. Switch on the battery and off. You can also make a simple garbage growing machine from a waste truck at a home. In this video, you can also do it at other homes. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments and we'll make a video about. Tell us in the comments how you like this video. Please channel me, subscribe and like and comment. And brother and sister, share this video. Please comment and let me know how you like this video. May God bless you and protect you. And subscribe, like, share, comment. And thank you. God bless you all.